We are a well-known company in the field of road safety facility manufacturing. Steel guardrail, the nuts and bolts for the road safety facilities. From entry-level applied zinc plating, rolled steel materials, to carbon steel tube products which are 3 times more corrosion resistant than galvanizing. Much more solid, much stronger. The representative product that resemble us. To go beyond the demanding safety standards of the ages and becoming the front line of the market. When our representative industries like steel guardrails and safety roller, it will become absolute synergy. We make the solar energy structure produced with Posmac steel, which maximizes the durability, until making a higher level of a product, one chain system production innovation. Productivity and safety. For fast distribution, we operate the factory nationwide in Korea. The whole process in the one-stop system. That is the reason we can keep the exact due date to our customers. The high-tech automation equipment to optimize the mass production. Careful production management to challenge zero defect rate. The base of innovation is the system. We are global network, local, worldwide. The overseas branches for the same service as the local and the world. The product that the world famous. The global small and strong company appointed by Korean government. Ideas for people should be the right products in the reality. We fulfill our company's responsibilities. We are KSI.